You ready?
They got problems on problems.
All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Beau here, and welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk about travel, talk about lifestyle, talk about travel hacks, talk about life hacks. And today we're on day 2 of the EF trip. Welcome. And we're currently about to go through a rainforest. We got packed up this morning. Last night we hung out by the pool, went out to eat, drank. A little hungover this morning, but now we are heading to rafting, or the plan today is rafting, and then the waterfall, but we're going to run through a forest, look at a volcano and stuff. So it should be a good day.
So let's act as adults. So we need to be responsible. We need to be.
Made it to our first stop. We're at a fruit market. They have plantains, they have mangoes, oranges, some things that look like a potato, some plantains. I think those are papayas. So yeah, they have quite a bit of stuff.
I like all this taste.
We have jam root, some plantains, and some cocoa beans that are covered in like sugar.
After that quick pit stop at the fruit, I don't know if you can hear me or not, fruit stand, now we're on to rafting. We'll see you there. You are a guide? Yeah. We just got to the kayak place and I'm about to switch over to the GoPro. We got our swimsuits on, or I guess it's rafting, not kayaking.
Get wet, I hope we're gonna get wet, guys. If you think we're not gonna get wet, then change your mind right now, okay? 100% wet.
So we're switched over to the GoPro now. I hope you can hear me. And yeah, we're about to go rafting. Who are we?
The viruses!
Who are we?
Viruses! Guys! Well, look
Forward.
at the whole left side of the
Forward.
road! They're beating us! Oh, look at the a group of my classmates and like a teacher. I don't know where. It says. I want to.
Guys, don't be in. Hey,
What?
don't be in.
Are we still supposed to be paddling? We just got done rafting. I would give it an 8 out of 10. A lot of fun. We got some awesome pictures though. I'll throw those up right now. And yeah, it was awesome. Now we are going to eat and sell lunch. Then we are going to go and go to the waterfall, I think. just got news that we're probably not going to be able to go to the waterfall today because it's raining outside. So I think we're going to go back to the hotel, but we're going to go to the waterfall at the top of it. So if we're going to go down there or wait till tomorrow. Showing it back. So yeah, that is the plan. And on a side note, we are going on a crocodile safari. That's why I got my hat on. And we are going to a chocolate factory, chocolate plantation in a couple days also. So be on the lookout for that. Just got in the room. Me and Pete are rooming together again. And it's a really, really, really nice hotel. We have a balcony. Pretty awesome balcony, actually. Is the door open? Is it locked? Oh, here it is. Hey, guy. Got the drone already. Let's go fly. Just got done with those drone shots. I hope that you liked them. We did not get caught. There was no issues whatsoever. And they actually seem very, very welcoming of the drone. The first place I've actually flown where I felt comfortable and I was like, man, we aren't actually gonna get told we can't do this here. So yeah, now we're gonna change, shower, get cleaned up, and we are going to head out and have some beer, have some coffee. Then we have a welcome dinner tonight at 7:30. So I'll see you there. So we just made to Selena's. You ready?
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
Yeah.
Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone in the face.
So we just got back from the welcome dinner. We had drinks. We had rice. We had a salad, and then they had some chicken and like potato stuff. Carrots. Also like cooked carrots. It was really, really, really good. Got to know everybody. Hung out there for like 3 to 4 hours, so it was great. But that's the end of day 2, and I'll see you tomorrow. Beau out.
It's Dominic the donkey. Clickety clack, we stop. It's Dominic the donkey.